In this video of TechTube, let me show you how you can find the username and the password of your Spotify. If you don't know where you can find the exact username that you have of your Spotify, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now you cannot find the username of your Spotify within the mobile app. For that, you'll need to open up the website of Spotify through your desktop or your laptop. Only that way, you'll be able to view the username. So open up your web browser and search for spotify.com and then log in to your Spotify account. Click on login on the top right. Once you are logged into your Spotify, you can click on this arrow beside your name and head over to account. Once you're on the account section, you can see an option called username, and this is your exact username. The exact name that is being displayed, which is this name, is not your username but is the display name of Spotify. This is the way that other people can see your account, but the actual username of Spotify includes numbers and letters. Whenever you want other people to find you on Spotify, you can give your username, and whenever they search this up, your Spotify account will pop up. So this is the username of Spotify. Now for the part of password. To find your exact password, you cannot do it within the Spotify app. To know your exact password that you have added in, it would only be visible if you have saved it on the Google Passwords Manager. If you have not saved your password on the Google Password Manager, you won't be able to find it. So in that case, the best option would be to reset your password so that you can create a new password for yourself. To do that, you can first log out of your Spotify. Once you click on log out, click on login again. In case you don't remember the password through this section, you can click on forgot your password and type in the username or the email address that is linked with your Spotify. And then click on send. Now a password reset link will be sent to the email address that is linked with your Spotify account. Once you open up your email and once you open up the password reset link or the email that has been sent, you can just click on reset. And it's going to take you to a section where you can now create a new password for your Spotify account. So in the first box, type in the password or the new password that you want to add in. And in the second box, again, repeat the password. Once that is done, you can now click on send and your password or Spotify will be successfully changed. So that is the way that you can find your username and password on your Spotify account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.